Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Today's vlog, Pharaoh and I were about to go to Barnes & Noble and get a few books today for him to add to his nursery library. And then I have to drop off my watch over at FedEx, my Apple Watch, because my Apple Watch, thanks to Pharaoh, had cracked. So I'm going to go ship it off over at FedEx so it can be fixed. The screen just cracked, but I share a little bit more details about that to you guys because it was actually a funny story, and it's now an extra funny story. But overall, I'm gonna tell you guys later in this video what happened. He's watching his usual Daniel Tiger, as you guys hear in the background. So yeah, I'm like makeup free, you know, just makeup free, everything like that. I am going to do an in-depth skincare regimen that I do for morning and night video coming up soon for you guys, so I'll definitely let you guys know when I will have that uploaded here on my channel. If you already are subscribed to my channel, thank you guys so much for the continued support of Pharaoh and I and on our channel. And to all of Pharaoh and I new subscribers, hey, and welcome to our channel. So yeah, today we still have a few things to plan for his birthday party coming up. So yeah, we might check out a few stores today, but really just Barnes & Noble, and then ship my Apple Watch over to FedEx. So yeah, that's about it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to the So I'm about to ship my watch off over to FedEx. So I'm gonna tell you guys the story of what happened. Pharaoh and my mom and I last Sunday, we were out and I was holding Pharaoh in my arms, and Pharaoh was trying to like wiggle and move about all of my arms, when next thing I knew, I heard my watch fell on the floor. And I wear my watch on my left wrist. And so I picked it up and I noticed that it had like just a crack on it. And my watch still works, everything works fine, but it's like I cannot unlock my watch because of like the numbers that I use for my passcode on my watch. So I called Apple, and the Apple advisor had made an appointment for me to go to the Apple store on Thursday to get it fixed. And you know, I have a warranty and everything like that on the watch, and I kept asking her, I was like, am I going to have to pay a fee? And she was like, no, you're good because you have a warranty on your watch. So I went to Short Pump, as you guys seen in previous vlogs, like you know how Short Pump is. I went to the Apple store up in that area, and when I got there at my appointment, the Apple advisor at the store was like, you know, hey, like we see that you have, you know, a warranty on your watch, but it's gonna be $230 to ship it out to get it fixed. And I was like, no, the devil is a lie. I told him, I was like, that's not what the Apple advisor I spoke to on Apple technical support on Sunday. And so I told him that the Apple advisor from the technical support on Sunday told me that, you know, I had the warranty, but I continued asking her, did I have to have a fee to pay with? And she was like, no, I'd be fine, but he advised me to give Apple a call back. So I gave Apple a call back, and I was like maybe on the phone with like Apple for almost an hour to get this situation handled. And I forgot who I spoke to, but she was such a very loving woman. I think her name was Tracy, but shout out to Tracy. She was so cute. She was so cute, but she was kind, and she was an older lady. Like, she reminded me of my nanny, but she was just so very kind and nice and understanding. And she did all the best she could, you know, do to help me with the situation. And then so she spoke to like the Apple Watch advisor, like the manager of like that whole Apple Watch department. We talked on the phone, and long story short, I am able to get my watch fixed for free. Shout out to the two women that helped me out during this call on Thursday. You guys were so amazing. Like, you guys helped me out, and you know, I don't have to pay an expensive cost to just get my watch fixed. Because I called my mom and I was like, Mom, like, I really don't want to pay this price. I might as well get a new watch. And I was like, I really don't want to get a new watch either. So because I got my Apple Watch as a gift from Calvin after I had Pharaoh, and he heard how much I really wanted an Apple Watch, and I finally got the Apple Watch. So yeah, so shout out to those women that helped me out on Thursday. Thank you so much. I don't have to pay a fee, you know. Thanks. Shout out to Apple. Thank you guys so much. And this is not a sponsor video, but thank you guys so much. You guys continue to have my support and all your products and stuff like that. So yeah, so you guys, I'm like just all over the place. I'm just all over the place. Are you okay, baby? Hey. I don't know if I might go makeup free today. I might. I'm not really feeling like I want to put makeup on, but then I don't. Because I am going to do a video for you guys. I'm currently editing a video. So I kind of want to just put a little bit light makeup, but it's like, I don't know. So, but it's like, I just have to do like an intro and then a midway of the video. And that's practically it, because most of the video is like a how-to. So it's like, yeah, I kind of just want to just do a makeup free look today. I'm not really in the mood to wear makeup, so yeah. What do you guys think? Drop in the comment section below. Tell me what you guys think. Let me know. I don't know. So yeah, so we're about to go head out. I'm waiting for my mom to get dressed and everything like that. So yeah, I feel like I'm just rambling to you guys. Like we're just waiting for her. We have everything packed up and ready to go, and I feel like I'm just rambling to you guys. So
stay and be with you
yeah.
too, but all your friends are here.
You'll be fine. Start living for the moment, letting go of the past. Yeah, start cherishing what you hold in. And
so me and Pharaoh just came from Barnes and Noble. Say hi. He is sleepy, you guys, so we're gonna go back and meet my mom at Bath and Body Works. And yeah, look, say hi. All right guys, so we are currently at Applebee's. My mom is getting some dinner for her to pick up for to go, and yeah, that's about it. I don't know, I kind of want sweet frog. I don't know, you guys. Pharaoh never had like sweet frog or like just frozen yogurt in general, so we might head there after we leave from here. But we went to Barnes and Noble. My mom had picked up a few candles. Then we went and we met Pharaoh's other grandmother, who is Calvin's mom, and his brother at Barnes and Noble. And we had just, you know, kind of chilled there for a few while my mom was doing some shopping at Bath and Body Works. And Pharaoh got this cute Eric Carle book. Let me show you guys. He got this book here, Eric Carle's Book of Many Things, and it's so cute. And yeah, his grandmother got him this book from Barnes and Noble. And yeah, so now we're here. My mom's picking her up something for dinner, and then we're gonna head home. And yeah, I kind of wanted Pharaoh to do some crafts, or you know, some Valentine's Day crafts, since Valentine's Day is on Thursday coming up. So we might just wait until Thursday. If not, we'd probably do it like over the weekend sometime. But yeah, so this weekend is laundry weekend, so we're gonna do some laundry. My mom actually started some laundry, so we're gonna finish that up over the weekend and then clean and just get ready for the week ahead. And yeah, so, and I also have my video up that I'm gonna post up on this channel. By the time you guys see this vlog, it'll be already uploaded on my channel. But yeah, it's just like my rice water regimen, how I do, like, you know, how I create the rice water to apply for my natural hair and everything like that. And I share some details for you guys. And yeah, so I'm pretty sure you guys hear Pharaoh in the background. You okay, baby? He's okay, you guys. He's okay. But yeah, I went makeup free, you know. It looks nice. I love how my skin is looking, my skincare regimen. My brows, though, they looking, you know, they looking kind of decent, you know. But yeah, I'm letting my brows grow. So, but yeah, you okay, baby? Okay, you guys. So yeah, we'll see you guys when we get back. All right, guys. So my watch just came back in the mail from Apple, and we're going to see how it looks. My watch, you guys, and I'm going to show you guys how it is. Let's see. And here's my watch. It is all fixed. Yay! Thank you so much again, Apple, for fixing my watch. I want to shout out to those two women again that had helped me last Thursday. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys so much. Again, this is not sponsored, but thank you, Apple, you know, for your great care and support team. I really appreciate you guys. But yeah, I'm so glad my watch is fixed, you guys.
in the pain.